If this is your first time trying the Temu Free Gift, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I do it in 2026. No confusing shortcuts, no unrealistic promises, just the routine that's worked best for me after testing different approaches. Step 1. Start with a coupon code. Before you browse, search, or add anything to your cart, activate the code on the screen. This was the biggest change I made after comparing random coupon codes with one another. It consistently gave me a stronger starting point for the rest of the session. Step 2. Open the app and explore normally. Once the code is active, browse the categories you're actually interested in. Don't rush. And don't add products just because they're discounted. Take a minute to see what offers are available. Step 3. Check the available promotions. This is where I usually notice the biggest difference. When I started with the code on the screen, I regularly saw larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, additional reward opportunities, and a more active free gift section than when I relied on random codes. Step 4. Compare your options. Not every offer will be the same. Temu updates promotions regularly, so take a moment to compare what's available before making any decisions. A little patience often pays off. Step 5. Repeat the same routine next time. I used to search for a new working code every week. Eventually, I stopped. After testing multiple codes side by side, the one on the screen consistently gave me the best overall experience, so it became part of my routine. A quick reality check. Will every account receive identical rewards? No. Temu promotions vary, and different users can see different offers. That's completely normal. My 2026 recommendation. If you're following this guide for the first time, keep it simple. Start with the code on the screen, browse naturally, check your available offers, and compare your own results instead of relying on random codes from old videos. That's the approach that consistently worked best for me. Try these steps the next time you open Temu, starting with the code on the screen, then come back and tell me, did you notice better coupon bundles, stronger discounts, or more free gift opportunities?